I am James Karjia Lahai, CEO of Freetown Store Poultry Limited. I am a poultry farmer located in Tisana Village, West Area Rural District, Waterloo. I started poultry farming in 2009, and my first batch of chickens came on the 9th February 2009. And I started with 1,000 chickens, layers precisely. So I've been increasing year by year, and currently I hold about 18,000 layers. I'm working with 18 people, and we have about 18,000 bats on a piece of land that is about 11 acres of land. Is fenced already. So we are currently dealing with layers and quail. Quails are small bats that lay medicinal eggs. I received financial support from FSRP. I've invested on battery cage and feed production line. The battery cage is presently here, 9,600 battery cage for layers, and the feed production line, that is the mixer, grinder, pelleting machine, is on the way coming. I want to expand on the layers so that I can produce more egg, because egg is in demand now. So I want to increase the number of layers I have. That is from 18, I want to add the other 9,600 battery cage I will install, then put the layers there. Then I will personally try to increase it perhaps to more than the 9,600. I want to make it 22,000. Poultry farming is a capital-intensive investment. So the major challenge we have is access to finance. So the banks cannot give us the amount of money we need. Sometimes they cannot even believe, they do not believe the amount of money we invest in poultry. So we cannot get the loan from them easily because of the bureaucracies they have, the requirement of the kind of collateral they want from us. So we may not have it. So, but having a grant has solved all that, and we've got some access to some amount of money. So and that is being used to expand our farming business. So it has made us grow somehow. The sales of egg is now easy. It's not like the other years when imported eggs was bullying the local locally produced egg in the market. Now it's like we are all competing to serve the market, and there is high demand for local egg. The Sierra Leonean populace now know that locally produced egg is better than imported egg. So our sales is now easier. Yeah. And I will tell the other farmers that have got grants from FSRP to make sure they invest their grants well, and also be ready to reinvest their profit from the business. Because by grant, my understanding is they've given us is like a support, a free gift, and the business we are doing is not a charity. We make profit, so if we reinvest the profit we make from the business, they will grow faster, and we'll be able to drive the imported egg out of the market, because it is our major competitor.